Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to set up Facelock on the Samsung Galaxy A17. To do that, just open Settings, then tap on Security and Privacy. From here, just tap on Lock Screen and select Face Recognition. And from here, just select the screen lock method which you like. You have the option of a PIN, a password, and a pattern. For now, I will select a PIN. Now just create a PIN which must consist of at least 4 digits. Then select Continue. Select Use Anyway. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Then select OK. Tap on Done. Then tap on Continue. Now to register your Facelock, just look at the selfie camera. After that, your smartphone will direct you to turn your head around so it could get a full scan of your face. Now just tap on Register to start. Now I will register my Facelock. After you register your Facelock, this page will appear. Now if you go to the lock screen, as you can see, we have successfully set up the Facelock on our smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can set up Facelock on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.